Well, good morning and welcome. I was thinking today about all the things that I have to do and all the things that I have to get organized. And sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming, if you know what I mean. So today I want to talk about time thieves. So my name is Glory St. Germain, and I'm from Ultimate Music Theory. And I'm passionate about sharing teaching tips and I guess just, professional development in everything that we do. So I want to say hello. We have a couple of our friends out there watching us today. And so here's a little challenge for you today. I'm actually not going to talk about Ultimate Music Theory books or theory concepts today, but I just want to talk about time thieves today because we all have them. So in the last Facebook Live, I talked about the 3 time thieves, and I revealed the first cop, as I call it, because we all need a cop to help us get away from the time thieves. And the first cop was C for concentration. So I would like to know in the chat box, how many of you actually implemented the concept that I talked about? And if you missed it, concentration, the letter C, is for using our time on a focused, concentrated project. And that task sometimes takes us astray because there's so many other things that we're trying to get accomplished. So one of the techniques that you can use is called the Pomodoro Technique. And the Pomodoro Technique is actually when you set your timer. It was actually created based on the tomato-shaped timer. You can see I've kind of added Solantito onto my little timer. And so you set the timer for 25 minutes, and it's a focused, concentrated time to complete your task. It is really, really effective. Now, I did mention about writing the Ultimate Music Theory series along with Sheila McKibben-Uren. And one of the things that we absolutely have to do is have focused, productive time. And that means blocking out all other distractions. So here is a very freeing technique that you can use. When you set your timer for 25 minutes, it is uninterrupted, focused, task-oriented time spent. Now, if you are interrupted during that 25 minutes, you actually have to set your timer again and start all over again. So that was the Pomodoro technique that I chatted with you about last time when we were learning about the 3 time thieves. So today, I want to know if you implemented that. Hello, Marilyn. Yay, nice to see you here. So if you implemented that, you could just add a little chat saying, yes, actually, I used that Pomodoro technique for 25 minutes and I accomplished 1 task. Let me know what that is. Accountability is really an important thing, isn't it? So the second time thief that we're going to talk about today is O for organization. Now, this is really a big one, and I'm sure all of you have experienced it because I know I have as well. And that is the organizing of something for a single purpose. So let's think about what is the process that you need to use in order to organize things, and what prevents you? What is that time thief that prevents you from accomplishing that goal or that task that you set out to do? So I want you to write down, what is your interruption? Now, it may be answering an unexpected phone call. It could be looking for something. How many of you have spent time looking for your car keys or looking for things in your closet? I mean, I know I have a blue sweater. Where is it? What about looking in your office? You know, when you filed something and someone says, oh, I just need a receipt, and you just can't find it anywhere, but you know you have it. Those are really time thieves that we spend just because we're not organized, right? What about when your kids need something, or your spouse wants something, or your dog needs to go for a walk, or even your cat wants something? So these are all little things that prevent us from really accomplishing what we want to get done in that time. So here's a little something that you can take away, and that is called personal rules. Personal rules. So the purpose of personal rules is to organize your workspace and your time. So advanced prep and organizing on how to have your day. So I have an action plan challenge for you today. And that is that you are going to Organize your day and stick to it. Oh, really? I know you're probably thinking, oh, Glory, easy for you to say. But in fact, one of the really effective ways that you can that you can really tackle this task and know that it's going to happen is that you want to maximize your productivity. And in order to do that, you actually want to write it down, right? So we want to organize just our day just for today. What are 3 things that you want to accomplish today? Or maybe you only have 2 things on your list, but write them down. The most important one at the top, and then the second one. And think about your personal space. This is where you're going to have your time to accomplish whatever it is that's on your list today. And it might be something simple like just saying, I really want to just, take out the garbage. It's been bugging me, and I just want to get that part of my day organized. It might be, I want to find my Christmas music. Christmas is coming up, and I just want to know, where's all my Christmas music so I'll have it ready for my teaching. What is the one thing that you want to accomplish? Now, here's a really interesting fact, and that is that when we write things down, we actually retain 30 to 40% more by writing them down. And here is the big bonus, when you check it off and it's accomplished and completed, it actually releases those endorphins in our mind that says, yay, that makes us happy. And it's always fun to check things off. And you can be sure to share these with your students as well. So we have 3 time thieves. The first one was the C for a concentration using the Pomodoro Technique of 25 minutes of focused concentration on one single task, which may be practicing the piano, which may be cleaning your closet, whatever that might be. The second thing is organization, so that we can really be organized for the tasks that we want to complete. And then check them off when they're done. And the third thing is what I will share with you next Thursday, and that is the P. So what have we done today? Sol and Tito were along for the ride to help us with our personal rules. Oh, there they go, having a little nap. On the back, I've got our 3 time thieves, right? So the first one was concentration. Hope you can see that okay. Concentration, right? And the second one was organization. And don't forget to check that off on your little list. So today we're going to be accountability partners, okay? So I want you to write down in the chat box, what is the one task that you want to accomplish today? So go ahead and write it down. We're going to be accountability partners. One task that you want to accomplish today. Set your Pomodoro, your timer for 25 minutes. Go into your personal space. Let everyone know. You might need to put up a little sign that says, don't interrupt me for 25 minutes because I'm in productivity. But we all want to accomplish our goals today. And so I hope this has given you a little food for thought on how you can organize your day and accomplish the tasks that are on your to-do list. I know I've got a list that I'm working through today. I'm setting my Pomodoro for 25 minutes, and I have focused and blocked my time for productivity. So I'm about to take my own challenge, and join me next week when I'll be talking about the P that you definitely don't want to miss in how you can avoid those time thieves that are kind of taking you out of context from when you're focused. And sometimes you might think, well, maybe Facebook is one of those things. And perhaps sometimes we can take a scroll and spend a little more time than we thought we would, but it is still a great way to communicate. And this is part of our enjoyment and part of our learning. So it's not that you shouldn't be here, because of course I'm here as well, because that's how we communicate with our family and our friends, and we share ideas and we learn things and we get caught up on things. But it's also a time to say, I'm here, I had fun, I learned a little something today, and now I'm going to go and tackle one of the tasks that's on my to-do list. So I hope this has helped you, and I look forward to seeing you on our next Facebook Live when I will reveal the 3rd time thief of our cup. So stay tuned, and I will see you on Thursday to reveal that. And I'll also see you on Tuesday when I'll be doing Teaching Tuesdays and sharing a new concept with you in teaching music theory. So have a great day, everyone. Don't let that cup rob you of your time today. Have a great one. Thank you.